Could a keyboard truly change how you game and type, all while fitting neatly on your desk? This compact marvel with a split personality might just do it. We're talking about a mechanical keyboard that packs a serious punch, designed for both the intense gamer and the dedicated typist. Right out of the box, its sleek black finish and compact 60% layout immediately catch the eye. But don't let its size fool you. This isn't just another small keyboard. The first thing that really stands out is that unique split spacebar. It's not just a visual quirk. It opens up a world of possibilities for layer functions, letting you assign different actions to each half. Imagine having an extra macro button right under your thumb. For anyone who loves to customize, this is a game changer. And speaking of customization, this keyboard is fully hot-swappable. That means if you're not a fan of the pre-installed clicky blue switches, which, by the way, offer fantastic tactile feedback that typists will absolutely adore, you can swap them out for any 3-pin or 5-pin switch without needing a soldering iron. It's a modder's dream, allowing you to fine-tune your typing or gaming feel to perfection. Plus, every single key is programmable, giving you complete control over your layout and macros, whether you're optimizing for a complex game or streamlining your office workflow. The ergonomic design is another huge win. With its thoughtfully sculpted keycaps and a comfortable keyboard shelf, it genuinely aims to keep your fingers and wrists in the most comfortable state possible. You know that ache after a long gaming marathon or an intense coding session? This keyboard really tries to banish that, promising comfort no matter how long you're at it. Performance-wise, the USB-C wired connection ensures a smooth, responsive experience with zero lag. Whether you're executing lightning-fast combos in a game or hammering out a lengthy report, the input is immediate and precise. And of course, it wouldn't be a modern gaming keyboard without vibrant RGB lighting, adding that essential flair and personality to your setup. So who is this keyboard for? It's for the PC gamer who demands responsiveness and customization, the typist who craves tactile feedback and ergonomic comfort, and anyone in between who appreciates a compact, powerful, and highly adaptable peripheral. It's a truly versatile piece of tech that delivers on its promises for both work and play.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.